Ebushama akwa ba found Ghana SMTVGH, message like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification also on so that anytime I post a video bit say we are Usambekebi. Ebushia ade ba kwa me ya ewo the current dispensation a woman ni say ya a Christopher no. Meet me so ka say ya kaya no tum but yes so nema bi so to the extent say sa nema yes so no destroy the very essence of Christianity. Look, ade ba kwa ya nyina ye jetum say enukre say we are all not saints. We are all striving towards perfection, towards becoming more and more like Christo a free. Christo a odi ne life edi tu homa meneo. Christopher. That is our belief. But you see, uko we are seeing nyina ade ba kwa obvious ni say Christianity lose ground. According to data, Islam is the fastest growing religion. Because nkofo believe say, as a Islam no, as a kind of say straightforward. Unlike Christianity, there are some things that you must get them through even inspiration and meditation and listening to the Spirit of God that is within you. So that is people's belief. And he anka obi bia Christo ni die. Ese adie we adie bia a very great worry on our heart. Every now and then no ese yen dwen how to avert a danger about that Christianity is going down. But Uba Ghana as some of the charismatic pastors nyama instead say nipa dom beba Christendom no mono, rather a pamun crofo every many of the churches. Na menim ye see ya say ewa Ghana hano political prophecy abeye hot cake to the extent say obia soria or pese on political prophecy. As enu na ye the new way and crofo timidi nya siko untimi kire. To the extent says say no obi sankrofo bebrea. They respect that we used to give any assign to Nyakupon say Nyakupon sia. To say people no longer attach that much of a respect. Adentia. Nyama bia asofofo ni bi nyama bia edifo ni bi ntia. And because of the way edifo bi ediomu efra politics look, people now have grounds to question even on marital life. Yes. Tepa mebono. You hear. Obi bisa say, wow, worry, ejai beye 3 times no. We are then catch the say Yakupon freo. Anka sem we die, enya asem I can say ye kan. But who na who dis asem na ba? Who na why na sa? Because you can't keep slapping somebody and expect that the person will never ever retaliate. There comes a point when everybody says enough is enough. Aden. Well, huna nipa sa. And attach no man anointed. Do my prophet no harm. My prophets are yes in ye do omu no harm no. Omu harming crofo. They don't say na ambi.
Brother so wawu nipa na obaje okun no efe Mugabe wawu am yesi no wawu brother wu the Captain Smart J ne ye no wawu Mugabe wadawle wawu enti wono nani mo ne dwe nani mo ne dwe Captain Smart you be a ultimate kind of credit that was as we so on kind of credit formation be bebe bia no ono de body tribuka on kind of credit ana obisado yeso no se ohwem na onye adwuma bia ona nam saaze kum chacha star na bi wa wanya dwuma bia anti no omo nsam no mu ha enuru ba bia wona the boss kwaka boom no wona the boss nyina ala jabati kwaka boom no omo ye campaign bia so share that the be 3 months pe Shada ma unya yechem half from menya half. Shada or the be 3 months pe. Azo ala chamate ay politics best 50 years. What me shada kra no what menya shada mem half. We mono omono etutu fitrugu ni pen omo ha omo keke. Aha omo de omo nyankofo bia say yesi adaje ewo mo. Na de Owusu Bempah na Ghana for to do no anya Owusu Bempah subai Owusu Bempah e wo se oman no ehwe ni ye e duru mbre kura na e wo se NPP nyen disi na kambomo na omudo mo chire Owusu Bempah so serious because we a threat pa mandation no Owusu Bempah one councilman ya chief liman ama wangoto na ntwi ango pa chewo anya sa Owusu Bempah na yesa okoto na ntwi ko pa cha
ono Owusu Bempah no
yes enti no no confusion wa create no man no e wo se ani ba ye ho so nye ja NPP nya ndi sisem ye nyina ka bom ye baako na ye kɔ saa kwane so because wanya sofo me woni audio bi wa ano a the one who see condemn Victor no minim se wo sa audio na o so the WhatsApp ma jama ti say e serious
woni nya mfo
no dipa no enye easy on eti wo no ka ono ko na kisenka ye nya ne head a ti say nya no said nation why o nya no ne ayi kokon say wono na ye fe no nation prophet wono opambo nation prophet and obokon ba opambo so start say ye fe nation prophet no a che da na why no Owusu Bempah say ye dane sa adire ni ma no enu a ne ho ntokwa che say ye wo ye no odwunu a wonti ase enti wo obi a se ka se ye jare dia obegimi a che ayesi ye kambom parties na kambom no mus dabi akwa we on pass on we enti ye be kono so ani akono so serious pa ni kwa se ija no kra be nam ka kire wo nyanya me nipa nyame bia mfru Owusu Bempah ne won fredi kina we nipa bia we confusion guy omuno ho ba kokra omuno ho woni ngege mo chizam tokwa social media ntokwa some be yes ni wonyi quotation bia preach okugina so de mada ahwe so yi bible quotation ya wonyi quotation bia won preach won teach wanya hwe no so mote wona wo ye nyina no so na wo kasa asem no o sesiska na wo sesiska o di NPP for atem no na wo sesiska amon for 5 na mla mfa hende mra na wo ye fundraising o sesiska anyina ni wo ba ye won kanyam asem NPP for asem na be kai but o wie no na wo sa sesiska wa so dem ho no mo o yobi a nani e mo ne dwe nani enwu asem wa wale 3 times na se o wi no ho be wale London e ka wa 4 ani o ba wo UK 4 ani wa wale 2 years mu ani wa sa wale o ye oba no de serious e wo na so dem secret oh enti wa wale 4 ma akọ 4 wa ye ma ho de ma akọ 4 woni subai enti no I was ye gina no so obi ya ka se ye nya life man ya anya no kre wa nya so fo ba akokra anti odofo bi ma no si no na den sam na okaka no ene se be chem ye mu mienu na ya campaign ama ye leader no na ya ka nsem be ton krofo sum afa ayi party no ho a amu half so enko Owusu Bempah so because say ijane sa na wo ye be ibun sam obe ha adwene wo ye be ibun sam a watetene ketema so se ma me kan no o kan sema nkwasafo no gidi ane ye ma so 7 nkwasafo ndo so wom enti o kan sema nkwasafo no gitum enti se nyina no so a obe ha adwene enti odafo se de awi abo no ma no si enti menu afa obi so na obi emra so bi na
abusia chema won't me say court be man bill say court e man bill a video yi mu na abehu now intelligence amagada from deep-throat sources within the NDC government any judicial service in mu na me no ba be check nti video na like and share na afo from so nya be nhwe na asem na me be kan ti ni very important now answer na me ba intelligence no so no me nya lawyer and I'm pretend say minimum rana ma fizament na law class da na ade a menti ase e twetwe maso any ni nti a lawyer attaching on na lawyer for chairman wuntumi ebe file bail application in the same court and before the same judge politically NDC for you soon no DJ chairman wuntumi 20 years menti ase so I leadership order no judge na President Mahama instructed Chief Justice Bafuboni and Justice Poaman more mature judgment man no a ono nso ko redi ye DJ chairman wuntumi no menti ase and say yes judge na before judge na court ana lawyer attaching akọ file a bill application we menti say that woman no ono no ye Mahama Biden Mahama the personal vendetta or war against him wound to me or person or born abroad persecuting or jailing or tormenting no judge no ano mu use no headi to sa na mo no so I don't understand why we clear obi animu Ghana na so lawyer attaching woman na ne court any before her and wa file that bill application minim say san and marane tie there that's fine but minim by the way court on komo lawyer phone komo nti yemfa ntwere ho me embra the substantive issue so now ebra be told you say chema won to me the lawyers are filing appeal assign file bill application pending his appeal no there was a crucial meeting be a course President Mahama held a meeting with a Justice Puaman of the Supreme Court and Chief Justice Bafu Boni. Now instruction or the more ya back. And so make sure say her ladyship Audrey would deny bill application. That is it. That is the only instruction President Mahama. And the man a Chief Justice Bafu Boni. Any a Justice Puaman, any Justice Puaman no na ebe to sa na mo no na ebe chro judgment no ama her ladyship Audrey. Justice Puaman no maka on several occasions only the hatchet man of this NDC government judicial service in no use the persecute MPP for because Mahama promising and he said Chief Justice Bafubon the in December as Chief Justice. So he is doing the hatchet job of President Mahama. No never better judgment in the her ladyship Audrey. I'm gonna read this we're denying Chairman to me bill. No. That is instruction Mahama de Momo. But you see Ghana, yeah, sure. And the yen him said the name Tamaklu, ne accomplice nipa na oni wia sika over 90 million Ghana cedis no. Or file appeal. Our sign a file bill application no ye grante no ejai no. Ema ni kofi pending the appeal case no. Obi a we sika wabo Ghana kro no. In excess of 90 million Ghana cedis. Ama omo nyema hye wo kantamanto afam wu ene ne ekeka ho. Ono or file appeal. Our sign file bill application pending his appeal no. Ye jai no so on concoct nefi. There is precedent. Ghana for chema won to me ono onwia Ghana sika. Onku obi a majelini because musu obi ya galam say won asase so. Ye hwe so no wa file appeal. A wasia file bill application mu be deny. Ghana for nyina hwe. Ye hwe se eye on my Ghana ne ye wo two set of laws ye di edi Ghana for ye di ne mu eden ne ye skill no ne ye chinchim no ne ye manipulate no ye di DMPP for ana ne wo mmara ne mu ankasa no ye di NDC for ye hwe Ghana for nyina hwe se mu be deny Chairman to me eye bail application na we are watching and a boy they share more judiciary ni mu say sa power na constitution ni dia mamo Ghana mrana dia mamo na mo exercise it doesn't come with a total freedom. It comes with accountability. How am we use mrano? A day is coming and you will account for it. Munina. Mua President Mahama use President Mahama, he has immunity bill. I don't know. First 3 years na immunity may apply, but after 3 years immunity apply. If that is what the law says, I make kind of correctly. But mono, you may not have that immunity. And there are several ways you be holding to account using same member constitution. Into mopa politically mun deny Chairman to me bill no. Mon can say kronfo na oni said the name Tamaklu. Ebo Ghana kronu wi 90 million e de osef atase e be man bill pending appeal. But Chairman to me on wi Ghana sika onbo Ghana kronu onku nipa bia na asase na musu obi akwakoye galamsey wo so no de mon man bill. Mo de mun decide mon ka mon na to me ni hye mon say ne. Ye nyina ye hwe mo Ghana fo nyina hwe mo. But me dey be I can say the day of reckoning looms.